How to see Snapchat conversation history. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. Now, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down to the privacy control section and then tap on My Data. Here, log in to Snapchat again by filling in your username or email address and then tapping on Next. Confirm as you by opening your email address. After that, you'll be brought to this page. Here, you can see all the data available for download. You can also export a copy of the content in your Snapchat account to back it up. You can also find the chat history option over here. Chat history includes your Snap history, chat history, talk history, communities, My AI, and AI features. Scroll down and tap on Next. Here, you can choose the date range from where you want to export data or see your chat history. Then tap on Submit below. Following these steps, you can easily see Snapchat conversation history.